Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kadba kakinuhon menteri kadang ya kendu ha sekretariat kahanyo trap Aceh National Movement hanya kasngi kalatur sa sekretariat bandawa na Sorkar ban penur long no ya kimat badan kam jong ka jela kom ka ILP kajing penrung ya kaktian khasi bat garo ha ka kernet ka bapra kajing penbaik kaput bat Kiwei Nakalyang menteri rang ba ukandot ke sangma loong ba ya kini kimat ka Sorkar kadang Bteng ban Buddien kamtam ya ka ILP bat kajing penrung ya kaktian khasi bat garo ha ka kernet bapra ka Sorkar jela kaladep ban pas ya ka resolution bat menta ka syang ha ka Sorkar pedeng ban shem ya karai haba yede bat ka kam kaput u menteri rang ba uloong ba kani ka Sorkar ka shem ya ka sin jam ban penbet ya uput usam ha ka ba Kiwei ki Sorkar kim shem lanuat ban kata ya ki.
I think this government has been the most proactive when it has come to all these three issues. So these things don't happen. For 50 years it has not happened. But you have seen that whether it's the resolution on both ILP as well as language is concerned, we have the first ones. When it comes to even use of our language and ensure that our languages are made more popular and have different programs to see that it's being implemented, is being used in and research is being done. A number of activities have gone into it, and we are showing a lot of our concern to take our to popularize and to make our language more richer. But at the end of the day, as I said, whether it's 8th schedule or whether it's ILP, these are facts that require a lot of push, a lot of lobbying, and these are things that are beyond the Meghalaya government's jurisdiction in one way. So therefore, we have done our part by passing a resolution very strongly in the assembly, which was never done before. And I think that has to be number one seen. And number two, in terms of border issue, we are the first ones to actually go and visit and come to the first phase of conclusion, where we have managed to come to agreement with Assam government in the presence of the Honorable Home Minister and officials. And we've actually managed to resolve the issues. So that's fine. I mean, the concerns of NGOs and other public is always there. But I think the public at large has seen the commitment that this government has shown on all these three factors. And I think the public will judge on that. And they know, the public knows at large how we have taken these three issues with highest and top priority.